Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to interpret what does this medium, lower quartile, upper quartile means. Well, if we look at the medium, this number here, right, indicates that 50% or half of the group, and in this case usually we are talking about the data set that has values less than or equal to the medium itself. Okay, so the keyword is less than. Okay, so if we move on to lower quartile, then in this case the lower quartile will represent the 25% or 1/4 of the group or data that have values less than or equal to the lower quartile itself. Lastly, the upper quartile similarly will indicate some percentage of the group or data sets that have values less than or equal to the upper quartile itself. But what exactly is this percentage? You would have guessed already. Yes, it is the 75% of the data or 3/4 of the data that have values less than or equals to the upper quartile. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you are interested to know more about this interpretation, do watch some of my videos where we touch on questions that require us to explain what is the meaning of the medium, lower quartile or upper quartile. With that, thank you for watching and have a nice day.